Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the Stranger Things transition tutorial on CapCut. So if you guys familiar with the Stranger Things series, you can made this video, and here is what the video will look like. Okay, so let's just go to CapCut and start the tutorial. So for this, I prepared 3 photos, but you can also use videos if you want. Then you need to find and prepare blue and red photos and import them as overlay. So here I'm going to click on add overlay, and I'm going to put it in the second and the third photos. So for the second I choose the red one, and then for the third I choose the blue one. Okay, so let's click on the overlay and then adjust the size, okay, until it's close the whole canvas, and then go to splice and choose overlay and adjust it into your liking, but I go with 70 like this. Click on the check icon and do the same for the blue overlay. Okay, you can find it on Google for the overlay, and then click on splice and overlay again and set it to 70. Click on the check icon and then click on the transition between the second and the third clip, so this one's right here, and add the then and now transition and adjust the duration. So just click on a check icon and then go to effects. So for the second clips, I'm going to add a video effect. So go to effects and then video effects, and here go to the D3D category, this one's right here, and then choose lightning and adjust it to your liking, but I'm going to reduce the color, and also I'm going to add the glow, and you can also adjust the speed. Okay, click on the check icon, and then for the third clip, okay, so I'm going to go in here, and then you can also add another effect. So I'm going to just go with video effects, and here I'm going to go to Christmas and find the snow effect. So you can actually use any effects that you want, but now I'm going to I use the lightning and also the snow effect. You can also adjust it. I'm going to adjust the speed to 80. Click on the check icon, and you can also add the Stranger Things fonts. You can find it on the internet and add it to CapCut, but here is my Stranger Things transition video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.